Hi everyone, there's a great second-hand bookshop near where we live, and I was in there the other day just passing the time of day. I found a tarot book which I didn't particularly want to buy, but I found a spread in it that I do think is really good. Now, I use the 12 house spread quite a lot, and I find it's really good for unlocking readings, and it's just a great all round spread. This is a kind of 9 house spread, and it's called the Feng Shui spread. And so, regardless of whether it really has anything to do with Feng Shui, I think it could be quite a good way of simplifying the 12 house spread down to something more manageable so that there are fewer cards on the table. So, I'm going to walk you through it very quickly, and then you've got it as a resource and just see what you think, see if it works for you. So, here's what we do. Instead of dividing life up into 12, we divide it into 9. So we do this. So there's north, if you like. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. And I'm going to tell you how it works. The first house is fame, future, and career. That's a bit like the 10th house in astrology. The second house is relationships, marriage, partnerships, a bit like the 7th. The third house is creativity and children, a bit like the 5th. The fourth house, helpful people, friends, agents, associates, colleagues, travel. The fifth house is self-identity image, a bit like the first in astrology. The sixth house, wisdom, knowledge, spirituality. Well, I would say that's a bit like the 9th in astrology. The seventh house, family, community, neighbours. The 8th house is wealth, which is a bit like the 2nd in astrology. And the 9th house is health, which is a bit like the 6th in astrology. So you don't really have a 12th house here, the dissolution, which I read as fears and limitations. But I'm very excited about it because it seems to me that when there are fewer cards on the table, it's sometimes a bit easier to relax. Okay, so there you have it, the fantastic Feng Shui spread. I'm going to be working with it a lot this autumn. So why don't you try it too and let me know if it works. Let me know if you like it. It could be, the big spread of the year. That's all from me. I'm Robert Farrer, and this is Tea and Tara, and I'll be back next week. Bye. Yet each man kills the thing he loves. By each let this be heard. Some do it with a bitter look, some with a flattering word. The coward does it with a kiss. The brave man with a sword.